So today we're kicking things off with something big. The top 5 scary truths about AI they don't want you to know. Buckle up, it's gonna get wild. Number 5, AI is already spying on you. Let's start with this. Every time you talk to Siri, Alexa, or Google, your voice is recorded. But it doesn't stop there. Did you know some smart devices record even when you're not talking to them? AI-powered assistants constantly learn from your habits, what you buy, who you message, and even how you feel based on your voice tone. Big tech says it's for personalization, but it's also used to profile you and influence your behavior. Creepy, right? Number 4, AI can now fake your voice and face. We're entering a world where anyone can clone your voice or face with just a few seconds of video or audio. Deepfakes are getting so good, it's nearly impossible to tell what's real. This tech is already being used for scams. Imagine getting a call from your mum asking for money, and it sounds exactly like her. Governments are trying to catch up, but the tech is evolving faster than the laws. Number 3, AI bias is real and dangerous. AI doesn't just think for itself, it learns from data, and that data can be biased. From hiring software that favors certain races or genders to facial recognition systems that misidentify people of color, the bias is baked in. And the scary part? AI can make decisions that affect lives, like loan approvals, job offers, or even jail time. Number 2, you might lose your job to AI. AI isn't just coming for factory workers, it's replacing white-collar jobs too. Writers, coders, designers, even lawyers and doctors. Many tasks are now being automated. While AI can make things more efficient, it's also pushing thousands out of work. The truth is, the AI revolution is happening faster than most people think, and no one's job is 100% safe. Number 1, AI could decide who lives or dies. This sounds like sci-fi, but it's real. AI is already being used in military drones, surveillance, and autonomous weapons. Some systems can track and kill targets with zero human intervention. Experts like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking warned us, uncontrolled AI could become an existential threat. But many companies are racing to build smarter systems without proper ethical oversight. So, what do you think? Is AI going to save us or destroy us? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're into uncovering the truths behind tech and society, this is just the beginning. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. This is Mind Decode, and together we'll keep decoding the world.